Hi, I'm Carpenter Mark, and this is the 60-second tool review of the Metabo HPT 2-gallon multi-volt compressor. 2 gallons, 135 max PSI, and 1.6 or whatever those are. The point is, all that translates into a hyper useful, super light, plenty rugged, definitely handy compressor to have. First, the multi-volt hero function of this tool. It is both cordless and corded. Quiet. Smooth running, oil-free. The ball valve is easy to access and engage. It has enough air to run a brad nailer or finish nailer. For the full tool review, go to myfixituplife.com.